Welcome back to my channel, it's your girl Kimberly. So in this video I'm going to show you a no heat hair tutorial. We're not going to use heat whatsoever. We're only just going to use gel. So I'm going to be using Herbal Essence gel. This is the one that I use. Of course we're going to use water. And I'm going to be using the Essie Instant Freeze hairspray, which is a really good hairspray, and a brush, and a lot of rubber bands. I have this in a small little bag here. I'm going to be using that, and that's it. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is, of course, we gotta comb our hair. So first we're going to comb our hair. Ow. I'm gonna comb my hair. This is a freak hair here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna wet it too much, like it's like really wet when you get out of the shower. No, it's just gonna be like damped. And then we're gonna brush it. So I'm not going to wet it too much. I'm just going to leave it like how it is, like this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add our gel. You can use any gel you have. So I'm just going to go like about like that. Whoop! See that? I almost dropped it. Like this. And I'm just going to add it to my hair. And I'm gonna kind of scrunch it so it's nice and scrunch, and on top here too. And I'll add it. I'm gonna add some more. And the roots as well, and just when you grab it, just scrunch it so it's nice and scrunch. Okay, it's like that. Okay, and now we're going to pick up our hair. Doesn't have to be perfect because you're gonna sleep with it. And my hair forward like this. We're gonna go ahead and grab a rubber band and we're gonna tie it. Like that. You're gonna have something like this. Okay, you're gonna grab another rubber band and you're gonna grab from where your ear is, grab it. And I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. You're gonna grab it like this. You're gonna put something like that, and you're gonna tie it. It's like a bubble. We're gonna do a bubble braid. Like that. And you're gonna grab some more. And grab some more. Make sure you're gonna grab the whole hair now, the whole hair like this. And you're going to tie it. Like that. So now you have something like that. Let me turn around so you guys can see. Like that. Okay. So you have something like that. Now after you're done and everything, this is where the hairspray comes. Hairspray comes. Now you're going to spray just on the back. Like that. And you're just going to scrunch the hair like this. Scrunch. I add some more, like that. And you're just going to scrunch it like that. You can put some here in the front as well, like that. And you're just going to scrunch. And you're gonna scrunch it, make it nice and beautiful. And then after that, you're gonna go to sleep overnight and wake up the next morning and take them all off, and you have your curly. So I will continue this tomorrow morning so you guys can actually see. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So it's the next day, it's morning. So I slept really good with my hair. This is how it looks. So now we're gonna take it off. So you basically just take off the elastics. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. Now we're just going to simply separate them like that. It's a little wet still, but it's gonna dry up anyways. So this is what my hair looks like with the gel and the hairspray that I added last night. So I'm just gonna separate them really good like that, and there you go. See that whole curls? They're nice and beautiful now, and it smells good. So now I'm using my camera, so excuse for that. I just gotta separate them, and you don't even have to use any water. You can use a little bit of water so you can tame up here, but I'm not gonna use anything. So it is super easy to do. Didn't need any heat whatsoever. No heat, nothing at all. Just gel and hairspray. That's it. That's all you need. And just, you can braid it as well, or just do it how I do it. I like how I did it. So it is pretty awesome. And then you can style it and you're good to go for the day. So it was super easy, super fun. I love my hair like this. It came out really nice. I love it. And let me give you guys a spin. Yeah. And then the other side, like that. So it was super easy. I hope you guys enjoy this hair tutorial. No heat curls. If you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also push that notification bell as well, so you guys won't miss any of my videos. And also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for the new subscribers for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day today. Stay beautiful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.